PlebLab TabConf. My name is Red. I am going to present Discreet Luck, which is the project I built. It is a prediction market using Bitcoin, but with a little twist. We can, in a way, leverage the liquidity of Polymarket. So who's heard of Polymarket? This is, kind of getting a little mainstream now. Crypto might have found product market fit. That's crazy. But DLCs let you do bets, right? That's similar, that's the same thing. Not exactly. You can't just put out orders. You can't just, let them sit there because DLCs don't happen on-chain. The coordination process happens off-chain. So what I built is a little front end here where any user can come in, we'll pull some data from the Polymarket API, and we'll say, hey, this is where the market's at right now. These are the spreads. The going rate, give a suggestion for a bet to make. From that stage, that information is put on Nostr. I'm running a local Nostr relay here from SuperRain. I use that open source repo. And you can do your coordination there. So boom, right off the bat, we get some censorship resistance. We're not relying on my front end to use any of this. It's all on Nostr with a few custom tags for information on it. So what's the next step? We need to find our counterparty. We do that on Nostr. So great, we made a bet, we posted it on Nostr, but now, do we just leave our app open and wait until someone fills our bid? It's a pretty poor UX, and I think that's a lot of the reason prediction markets haven't taken off the way Polymarket has, Bitcoin prediction markets, that is. So you can solve this if you have a market maker, and this person does not need to be all of the liquidity. They can just come in and say, all right, you made this bid with BTC on this market. I'm going to go hedge it on Polymarket. And that is sort of the system I'm building here. It is a BTC-only prediction market. It's Bitcoin only for your end users, so long as you have any permissionless market maker that is willing to come in and interface with both sides, the Bitcoin side and the USDC Polygon side. So if you come in here, we're just pulling some Polymarket data. We can take a look at that. We can push prices to Nostr, so you don't have to use this front end. We've got a bit of a janky setup here, but and then you can post an offer on Nostr in the same way. I made a market maker interface that's just kind of pulling all these bids off the Polymarket book, and then if we wanted to, create an offer here and post it. Boom, pop over here, look at the market maker, and now we've got a couple orders filling up. So you see how this would connect pretty smoothly. You really just need a front-end client that connects to Nostr, knows what tags to look for, and is willing to use USDC. And you can effectively port over liquidity from an application with billions in volume on the presidential market, things like that. So you can really quickly bootstrap a BTC-only application leveraging some outside services. That is the extent of Discreet Luck. I did not get the DLCs working. I fought for a while with some Node libraries. I should try the Rust libraries that our chess friend used, wherever he is. He presented first. But the future state for this would be, I don't want to be an operator or run it. I just want to get like a market maker client up and live with some Nostr standards. So Nostr and Polymarket sides are filled in. The Polygon side is pretty simple using tools like Hardhat, which are also in this repo if you want to check it out. And that's the extent of it. So next steps are get the DLCs working.
So your market maker is basically a bridge between Bitcoin and Polygon, right? On the Polymarkets. Is that?
I wouldn't call it a bridge. It's more so, it could be a bridge, but it's any individual willing to hedge themselves. So I take the bet on the Discreet Luck side on Bitcoin, and then I just match it on the Polymarket side, and this reduces my risk of loss. You might also want to hedge against the price of BTC using an AMM or something, but these tools all exist. So not a traditional bridge.
Oh, yeah, right.
Thanks, everyone.